Most people work hard their whole lives. They wake up early. They hustle. They stay busy. And yet, they still struggle financially. So the question isn't, why don't people work hard? The real question is, why doesn't hard work turn into wealth? Let's break it down, simply. Imagine we're sitting at a coffee shop. No lectures. No complicated terms. Just common sense on a napkin. Here's the first uncomfortable truth. Most people stay poor because they were never taught how money actually works. Not in school. Not at home. Not anywhere. They were taught how to work for money, but not how money works for them. So they grow up believing one simple idea. If I earn more, I'll be rich. It sounds logical, but it's incomplete. Because income alone doesn't build wealth. Let me explain. Money isn't just something you earn. Money is a system. And most people only see one part of that system. Income. They don't think about how money flows, where it leaks, or how it grows. So what happens? They earn money. They spend money. They repeat. Every single month. No structure. No plan. No strategy. Here's a simple example. Two people earn the same amount. $500 a month. Same job. Same income. But their outcomes are completely different. Person A saves $50 every month. They feel responsible. They feel disciplined. Person B also puts away $50. But instead of just saving it, they invest it. Not gambling. Not chasing hype. Just steady, smart investing. Fast forward a few years. Person A still has savings. But inflation quietly eats it. Person B owns assets. And their money started working. Same income. Different understanding. This is where most people get stuck. They think saving alone is the solution. Saving matters, yes. But saving alone doesn't create wealth. It only preserves money. And sometimes, it doesn't even do that well. Now let's talk about spending. Most people don't control spending. Spending controls them. They buy things to feel better, to impress others, to escape stress. And they call it rewarding themselves. But those rewards quietly keep them broke. Money leaves their hands faster than it enters. That's bad cash flow. And cash flow matters more than income. You can earn a lot and still be broke if your money flows out carelessly. Another major reason people stay poor? Debt. Not all debt is bad, but most people only touch the worst kind. High-interest loans, credit cards, things that lose value. So every month, money that could build wealth goes to paying interest. That's money working against you. Now here's something important. People don't stay poor because they're lazy. That's a lazy explanation. They stay poor because they're operating without understanding. They're playing a money game without knowing the rules. And no matter how hard you play, you can't win a game you don't understand. The real shift happens when someone stops asking, how can I earn more? And starts asking, how can I make money work better? That's the difference. Wealthy thinking isn't about working nonstop. It's about building systems. Systems that control spending, manage cash flow, and grow money over time. That's why work harder advice fails so many people. Hard work without direction just makes you tired. Smart work builds progress. So here's the real takeaway. If you want to escape being broke, don't just chase income. Learn how money works. Learn cash flow. Learn basic investing. Learn patience. Because money rewards understanding, not effort alone. And once you understand the system, even small income can create big results over time. If you want more simple, honest explanations like this, no hype, no pressure, subscribe to Monetra Basics. We're just breaking money down, one napkin at a time.